Hi and welcome to the YouTube channel of Mind Cypress. Today we are going to talk about Morphological Matrix. Let's learn.
Your ultimate guide for innovative problem solving. Ever faced a complex problem and didn't know where to start? Meet the Morphological Matrix, your solution engine. Step 1. Define your problem. Begin by clearly defining the problem you need to solve. This step is crucial as it sets the direction for the entire process. Be specific and detailed, identifying the core issue you want to address. Clarify the problem. Write a concise statement of the problem. Identify objectives. What are you aiming to achieve? Determine constraints. Are there any limitations or restrictions? Step 2. List key parameters. Identify all the key parameters or components of your problem. For instance, if you are designing a new product, parameters might include materials, cost, functionality, and aesthetics. Listing these components helps break down the problem into manageable parts. Identify core elements. Break the problem into smaller essential components. Consider all aspects. Look at the problem from different angles. Prioritize parameters. Determine which components are most critical to address. Step 3. Brainstorm solutions. Now it's time to brainstorm multiple potential solutions for each parameter. Encourage creative thinking and consider all possible options, even those that might seem unconventional at first. Foster creativity. Encourage out-of-the-box thinking. Generate a variety of ideas. Aim for quantity over quality initially. Collaborate. Engage team members or stakeholders for diverse perspectives. Step 4. Combine solutions in a matrix. Finally, by mixing and matching options, you can uncover unique and innovative possibilities that might not have been evident initially. The matrix helps visualize how different solutions can work together to address the problem. Create the matrix. List parameters along one axis and potential solutions along the other. Combine options. Mix and match solutions to see how they interact. Evaluate combinations. Assess feasibility and potential impact. Ready to solve your next big problem? Try the Morphological Matrix.
Hope you liked our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section below the next topic you want us to talk about.